First, press and hold the power button on the remote controller. Wait until the indicator light starts flashing. Then quickly tap the button. Power on is now complete. Now remove the drone's top cover. Note, the pairing sequence matters. First, press and hold the pairing button on the remote for more than 3 seconds. Release it when the light flashes red and green. Next, press and hold the pairing button on the drone for 3 seconds. The light will flash red and blue. This means the drone has entered pairing mode. Now wait for 30 seconds. The green light will stay on. The drone is initializing. Pairing is now successful. Did you get it?